This is another mastering plugin that you may want to consider. This is called the Maag EQ4 MS. Now, musicians like U2, Madonna, Green Day have used this mastering plugin. So let me go through a little bit. So it's got a correlation setting on it. So it tells you whether the music is in phase. So if it's in phase, it's going to go +1. It's got a balance meter in it. Channel link, MS, side chain. Your low EQ mids. It's got your high pass filter, low pass filters, soft cut, depression, compression. Hooray! It's got air band gain, so you can put airiness into your recordings. It's got your channel mode. You can switch it to analog if you want to analog mastering. Switch with the button to digital mastering. So you got your mono maker, stereo width, lower sounds will sound more natural. Anyways, let's give it a listen and you can be the judge. Anyways, it sounds warm and really natural and everything, and this is what people are saying about this mastering plugin. You be the judge. If you like it, give it a shot. Anyways, thanks for listening. Give it a like if you like, and subscribe to the channel for more mastering tips and plugins and recording tips. Bye for now.